Starting to record again. Orange girl?
Einstein.
Okay, you guys are just really having a ball with that.
Here, so you can get this one. Who is this?
Purple.
This is Puppy. Puppy. Are you getting them?
Mm-hmm.
Puppies. Puppies.
Purple actually looks pretty darn good with reach and drive on the thing, I think. Oops, I might have been a little too close.
Okay, I'm
Go
going to bring
again.
them towards you.
Go, or just...
She can see them moving.
Okay, you have all the boys now, so if you can do a go around with them.
Oh! Hi, puppies.
It sounds weird, but I can see like Purple's top line kicking in. Red had his little prance because he puts his head up, is what he does. Oops. Get away from this kennel maybe a little bit.
There we go.
There we go. I'm getting it. These are the boys with Betsy right now.
Girl.
Orange is now adding to the mix. We call her Addie Jr. Pink isn't in here because she's very sick and she's going to be a pet. Just kidding, Pink. Here she comes. And you'll notice we were kidding.
Here, look it.
Okay, I'm going to get the back. Well, the sides are pretty. The sides are real pretty. And that's what I got.
Hi, puppies! Come on! Come on!
Okay. Ooh, right there I could have.
Puppies! Puppies! Orange, come on! Addie Jr. Pink. Pink girl. Pink girl.
Pink girl, Turble's in your front. Grape and Red are behind.
Red.
Nope. Turbo.
Where's Red?
Red and Purple are right by you.
Red, right here. Red. Come on, puppy. Come on.
There's Red and Purple.
Here, Red. Come on, Red. Go away. Come on. See if you can get him. He's going good. He's watching my hand. Here, Red. Come on, Reddy. Red. Yeah, good luck with the movement at 8 weeks, Rosie.
Well, actually, them going around, you
Come
can
on.
see their sides.
Come on, let's go. Here's one.
Yep,
Here's Pink.
No, she got Purple there.
That's Purple?
Mm-hmm. He's got a nice top line.
Puppy.
And get him going away, huh? He's not a stick.
No, I said let me get a stick. Here. Here's Red.
Look at that Purple.
Red.
Okay, and there you go.
Come on.
Thank you. There's Red and Orange.
Come on. Puppies. Okay.
Okay,
Who's this?
Purple.
Purple. Puppy. Maybe if I had a toy. Come on.
I should have got her coming up.
Come on.
Well, they like the stick. They never seen it. Okay, going away is Purple, Orange, and Red.
Come on, guys.
Red and orange.
Come on. Come on. Come on, puppies.
Purple and red.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Purple and red. And orange.
Puppies, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Here. Pink, pink. Pinky. Pop, 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 pop. There. Come on. Pink, 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 pink.
What do they smell? They're smelling something.
Beep, 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 beep. Get this one.
I got her. This is pink. These are the girls. Pink and orange.
Addie and orange. This is all I can do. I'm sorry, Rosie. There we go. Look it. With the stick. Who's this?
Orange. Addie. Addie Jr.
Come on, Addie. It's hard to see. Come on, Addie. Come on. Here.
Okay. This is orange girl.
Come on. That's so far. Come on. There. That's as best as you're going to get.
Okay, there's orange.